everybody, it's Amy and we're at the big Dollar Tree. They have a bunch of these planters up front, lots of garden items. So that's exciting because that means spring is right around the corner. The hanging pots are always great. The rope on them, not so great, but if you keep them like indoor for indoor plants, it's awesome. It's just anytime the rain or dirt or wind hits them, because of the white nylon, tend to get a little bit yucky. Got the potted little 10-pack. They have these cute little solars, the owls and the toads, and lots of fun stuff right up here as the wow item of the week. And then, of course, we have more outdoor gardening items. Those seeds, I love them. Lots of pretty colored planters, all different shapes and sizes. Here's one item my store didn't get, was the sports banks, so they have them here. The pretty spring flowers. Little angel cherubs. A little bit of St. Patrick's Day. They are stocking over in this area, so we're going to kind of skim through here. Pretty much just all the snacky type items. Some more garden essentials. Think spring. We are definitely thinking spring, aren't we? In my previous Dollar Tree videos, we looked at all of this Easter stuff, so I will link those at the end of this video. At the end, you'll see the little screens. You can click on them and just watch them, because I don't really want to go over the same thing again for you guys. More St. Patrick's Day items. See, they're stocking right here. Getting ready for St. Patrick's Day. Such a fun holiday, right? Any new candles? Let's take a peek. Don't see any. Do you guys spot any new items? You guys are really good at that when you watch the videos. Some washi. They have these cute little dragonflies up here. They're really pretty. Just basically all your craft stuff. I mean, I don't know, guys. Little Paris theme magnet. Looks like they're rearranging the store and reorganizing it, which is cool. They have the Kiss Nails display. They have these cute little watercolor drops, or tablets, excuse me, frozen. They don't have these at my store. Little Mickey Mouse. And little Minnie. My niece would love these. This is my favorite room deodorizer out of the whole store. I love it. So cute little ice cream and cupcakes. Some wall decals. I'll just scan the top right so you can see the ones that they have. This is one of my favorite sections at Dollar Tree. Frap Queen. They got some Frap Queen socks. It's a good deal too for the little non-show socks. We've got some Star Wars socks. Nothing new. What's this? Oh, I think it's a little bag, like a little handbag. Like a little tote. This is new. Beard, power stick beard and stubble beard balm. Let us know if any of you gentlemen have tried it. Is it any good? They got these cool little bottle lights. That's really neat. You just put it in a bottle and it illuminates the bottle. I've definitely not seen these at my store. Very cool. I always forget about the kitties. Ocean Explosion. Sorry guys, I had to let somebody walk by me. So these are the treats, I guess. Yeah, not I guess. These are the treats they have. I was showing you these Ocean Explosion. These look new. Probably get more expensive at a regular store. Of course, they have like the Temptations. They have 9 Lives. The little Pounce treats. They have some toys and some catnip. The little kitty's cute. Then just a bunch of like, you know, toys. It's cute. Little piggy. Oh, look at this. You know, it's the little brush that you use to shampoo your animals. You guys are probably like, duh, we can see that. But yeah, I think I'm going to grab one of these. I've wanted one of these, but they're usually expensive, even at Walmart. So that's pretty cool. And guys, I do have my pocketbook strapped in, so that's... Sorry, somebody walked right up behind me. Barilla Elbows. I love that they have more Barilla products. Higher quality pasta for $1. So this is new. I haven't seen this Crayola seasoning before. Creole, right? Seasoning. That's pretty cool. Shaker top, love that. They just put them out. Another item I hadn't seen, these olive snacks. Have you guys tried these? I love olives. Green olives, black olives, I love them. These have different flavors. It says there's no liquid inside. No kidding. No, I think it's pretty cool. They finally got in all this goodness that you guys have already been buying, but we didn't have it. And then they have The dirty rice. This is new. Maybe they've had dirty rice, but I haven't seen this particular brand in the stores I've been at. I think I'm going to pick one of these up today, actually. I love rice with hamburger. It's so yummy. I eat it often, actually. Okay, so this is new, too, for us, anyway. So, the Nature's Path. I mean, I've tried this. You guys have seen this if you've been on my channel in previous videos. I didn't love it. The tasted a little funky without the sugar. So I wonder how these are. I wonder if they're any good. They look good. These I love, guys. Grab those if you can, especially in hot chocolate or ice cream. And they have a bunch of the name brand cereal now in these pouches. If you haven't seen them already, they've been around for a little bit, month or so. But yeah, good for on the go. And good with coupons. I don't see any name brand big box cereal at this particular store, but I still am trying to go through all the cereal I've accumulated from this store, so it's okay to take a break for me right now. Another item that we'll be using a lot of soon, barbecue sauce. I like Kraft. I haven't tried this Bullseye. Let me know. It seems like two completely different kinds of barbecue sauce. Let me know what you guys think. Which one is your favorite? And then they have some stickers. I don't know. I feel like I've seen these before. These I definitely have. I always look in this section for you guys. I can't always deliver on new stuff, but they have Princess. We've seen the construction stickers before. But to those of you who haven't, here's a little sneak peek at what they have. I always love these stickers. They're so pretty. Looks like they just stocked these nice and full. They're just so pretty. Alright guys, the snack cups are back. I had to have these when they came out. I never used the tops ever, and it was top heavy, which was so silly. But you know, when you have to have that new item Dollar Tree has, I never used these the proper way. Okay, I need your feedback. These are either back or they have old inventory. Did you guys use these when they came out? What did you use them on? I still have them and have not used them. I have two boxes of them. I haven't used them yet. So we got a bunch of garbage bags, Good Sense flap ties, spring. Am I the only one that sniffs the box? That one smells good. Ooh, lemon. Lemon's always good. They got 14 in the box, so you get 2 bags for free. They're not free. They're built in the price, but you know, we like seeing that it says free on there. Makes us feel better about our purchase. Glade, Gain, Febreze. Lots of name brands. I can't smell it outside the box. I expected to. It's name brand. Good Sense, you win. So they have these, which I've never seen. I'm going to leave it on this. Lint Traps 2-pack. It's different. Helps you from clogging up your